Hi, my name is Landry. I work for Down to Earth in Eugene, and today we're going to teach you how to repot your houseplants. The first thing you'll need to decide is if your plant is ready to be up-potted into a larger container. A few signs are if you have roots coming out the bottom of the drainage holes, if your plant has doubled in size or looks too tall for the container like this one. It's best to do this when the plant is actively growing. This is typically in spring, but you want to look for active new growth before you start to repot. Next, you'll need to choose an appropriate container. You want to choose a pot no larger than 1 to 2 inches in diameter than your current pot. So for this one, this size will be a great choice. It gives it a little room to grow, but doesn't give it too much soil. The most important thing is that your pot has a drainage hole in the bottom to allow water to escape and to prevent root rot. You'll need to next gather materials. You'll need a water can with some water or a spray bottle, your new container, your houseplant, and a bit of window screen. When you put window screen in the bottom to cover a drainage hole, it allows the water to escape but keeps in your soil. You'll also need a soil scoop or a little shovel and some potting mix. Today we're going to be using the Black Gold Natural and Organic. This is a great potting mix for all different kinds of tropical houseplants, and they also make a succulent mix with better drainage for your cacti and succulents. When you go to repot, you'll want to make sure that your soil is well moistened and that your plant has been watered as well. So we'll pour just a little bit of water into our plant. And I've already pre-moistened the soil. Then we'll place our little bit of screen that we've already cut down in the bottom of the pot. And place a thin layer of soil on the bottom. You want to press it in, but don't pack it too hard. Then we'll squeeze the sides of our pot to get our plant out. And you want to make sure to break up the root ball. I just like to pull. Don't worry about hurting the plant. You just want to make sure that the roots are loosened and it's able to grow into its new container. Once you've done that, you can place it in the middle of your container. Make sure to center it. And then you'll start to pack soil around the sides, pushing down as you add new layers of soil. While you're repotting your plant, if you notice your roots have any mushy or brown and soft parts, you can cut those off with sterile shears. You want to make sure the roots going into the pot are all healthy and still growing. All right, I like to leave a little bit of gap between the soil and the edge of the pot. That way when you water, it doesn't overflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new about how to repot a houseplant today. Bye.